Alright, this is my Eastern Element. I got Eastern Hawkeye grips. The S&M slams. Just an Eastern fork, Eastern frame. Fit ECCD. I got the Animal GLH with a stolen roulette back hub or back wheel. I don't even know where I got these pegs. KMC chain. Got the Fit down low sprocket. Colony pedals. And then in the front, I got the Odyssey Quadrant. Got obviously the Fly Rubin 2.25. It's just the stock Fit stem that used to come on them. Again, don't know what these pegs are. They're super light though. The bike's like 24.5, I believe. It did come white. Everything was white, but then I got the black rims and the black bars, and I painted my frame and my cranks black and my fork black. So yeah, this is my bike.